Hi my lovely viewers, welcome to my very own channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Boondi Raita. This is an easy preparation of boondi in yogurt with lots of dry spices and fresh coriander. This is a great accompaniment for any kind of rice dishes and a quickest side dish. First up, whisk the yogurt in a bowl with the water and keep mixing it. Don't add too much of water. You can adjust the water over here, how much ever thick or thin you want. Now add the salt, sugar and all the dry spices like the red chili powder, now the roasted cumin powder, some chaat masala, black pepper, mint leaves and the coriander leaves, and stir well and mix everything and keep it aside. Next, soak the bundis in some warm water and let it stand for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, drain the excess water and lightly press the bundis with the help of your hand and squeeze the excess water from it. Don't do hardly and mash it. Once the excess water is removed, put it directly in the yogurt mixture. Keep doing this until all the bundis are used up. Now stir well and you can put it in any bowl or container in which you want to plate up. And then I am going to garnish it with some red chili powder this way. And then the cumin powder, and some fresh coriander on top. You can serve this cold as well as at room temperature, and you can adjust the spices as per your taste. Here I am also going to top it up with some pomegranate seeds on the sides, but this is perfectly optional, but I personally like the crunch and the sweetness of it in every bite, and it's my family's favorite. Here I've soaked the bundis and then put it in the yogurt, but if you want little crunchy flavor you can also directly put in the bundis, but in that case you will have to consume it right away. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.